Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is May 13, 2019. I will record this video to briefly talk about what I've been done in past week. So I keep working on implementing the local workflow executor and keep reading the code and study the code. I spent some time to review and went through a series of Java multi-thread tutorials in YouTube in past week. So that I have better understanding about the wait and notify, as well as the re-entry and lock. Which is use the wait and the signal to wake up the threads. And so I think I get better understanding on this, and I also get a plan how to implement the local workflow executor. Firstly, I choose to run the task run extend the thread class instead of the local schedule run extend the thread class. Maybe I can get start from it. And so here is a plan. So I will the workflow will executor will loop through all the task schedules in the global schedule and create corresponding task runs and start and join to wait until all completes. And then for each task run, check its readiness until all parents are complete, and use a re-entry lock and condition to wake up the individual tasks. And right now I'm still looking into how exactly the tasks got executed in current VM version. Because from the workflow executor, I only see the MSG client send the input string to the VM, and there's no code that is call or run the run method that is in task executor. So I think I still need to spend more time to make clear about how the input and output stream of each tasks, and in order to make the local version. So this is briefly the updates of what I have in past week. Hope I will make more progress in next week. Thank you for your time. Until next time, happy coding.